Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So on today's video we're going to make a Tequila Daisy, right? Which is kind of a play on words, right? This drink actually goes back to like the 1930s, right? There's no more popular drink than a margarita, right? Which is funny because Daisy actually means margarita in Spanish. So technically this is a tequila margarita, but it's a Tequila Daisy, right? There is probably no more famous drink than a margarita, and probably one that has its origin is so obscure and so wide that no one really knows. But anyway, this origin comes from like 1936 or something like that. But anyway, let's get started. So this uses superfine sugar, right? Which is quick dissolving, which is great for mixing. I didn't realize there was a thing called superfine sugar until I started looking at recipes and stuff. I think my neighbor's sprinkler just came on. But anyway, if you can't find superfine sugar, you can make your own by grinding or food processing just regular sugar, and it just makes it smaller for easy dissolving. Or you can go on Amazon and order some, like I did, because I didn't want to go look for it in stores. Anywho, we're going to go with just half a bar spoon of superfine sugar, and then we're going to go half an ounce of lemon juice. So we're going to give this a good swirl to try to help dissolve it a little bit. Again, this should dissolve easily and quickly, right? It actually did. All right, for the recipe we're going to go with, also now we're going to add, haven't used this in a while. I think I bought this in Japan. And then I was bringing it back. I didn't drink all of it. I put tape on it to hold it so it doesn't spill in my bag. Okay, here we go. Maybe. We're going to go 2 ounces of tequila. And a half ounce of Grand Marnier. Add some ice. Give this a good little swirl. This piece of ice didn't want to stay. That one didn't either. Maybe it's the same piece. Got us another little coupe glass. So there you have it, a Tequila Daisy, which translates to margarita. Cheers. It's a margarita. I mean, it's solid, it's good. Good flavors. I like it. I like it a lot. It doesn't really say what type of tequila to use in this recipe, so you use your favorite if you're making this. But anyway, do not forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.